So this motor here, got it all together. Me and this motor have been together a long time. First bike I actually ever restored. Wintertime, must be getting bored if I'm finally getting onto small frames. But this had a party in there, and I think the fly side bearing went. I don't know what else could have gone to cause this kind of damage. So I'm going to pull the top end off and split the cases, and we'll see what bits go into which of these small frames, as I've got two motors here, one that runs, but I want to swap out some parts, and the yellow bike does not run. I think the top end blew, so I should be able to make two good running bikes out of it. So it's looking pretty good in here, but it appears that we had some interference with the primary gear and this bearing. I also don't like how this, it's hard to tell right now, but it doesn't seem super clean in there. I might end up replacing that, but otherwise we're looking really clean in here, and at least this half is totally usable.